that you want? You want the leftovers?
Benji, what do you want?
Is it time
Really?
to you want to lick that bowl too?
Do you want to lick the bowl? Really?
Where is the bowl?
Where's the bowl? Tell me. You want the bowl? Is that what you're trying to...
You can't take it.
You want the bowl? You just can't take it anymore, huh? You need the bowl, Benji? Tell me. Talk to me.
Is it a struggle to try to get us to understand?
What are you trying to tell me? Really?
Are you tired of getting left out and not getting to lick the bowl?
Benji? Tell me. Oh, thank you. Tell me. Sit down. Sit. Now, I need to know what you're trying to tell me. What do you need?
Can you say bowl?
What is it? Can you say bowl? Do you want the bowl?
Say bowl?
Benji? Do you want the bowl? Sit down. Benji, come here. Sit. Sit. Now, do you want the bowl? Ben. Ben. Oh, you're not going to talk to me anymore, huh?